Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of neem oil versus hydrogen peroxide. Wait till the end to find out which is the best choice for you. So the main difference between neem oil and hydrogen peroxide is their method of killing. Hydrogen peroxide is an efficient way of killing gnat larvae since it kills when it makes contact with them. Neem oil, on the other hand, works by suffocating the larvae and eggs, which may be a slower process. Therefore, the hydrogen peroxide is a better option since it works faster. Preparation. Hydrogen peroxide solution is easy to prepare by mixing 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide concentrate with 4 parts water before using. For neem oil, the concentrate must be combined per the manufacturer's instructions with different preparation methods involving a third agent, soap. Therefore, hydrogen peroxide is better since its preparation method is simple and direct. Using the solutions. The mixture is poured on the potted plant when using the hydrogen peroxide solution, drenching the soil and flowing through the drain holes. On the other hand, the neem oil mixture is sprayed on top of the soil and the solution fails to seep deep into the soil. This fails to suffocate the larvae and eggs deep in the soil. Therefore, hydrogen peroxide is the better option since it seeps deep into the soil, killing the larvae and eggs when they come into contact. Killing the pests. Neem oil works against both the larvae and adult gnats. It is sprayed on plant leaves and mature gnats, killing and repelling them. When sprayed into the soil, only the top part of the soil gets in contact with the mixture, killing the larvae at this point, but it fails to kill eggs and larvae deep inside the soil. On the other hand, the hydrogen peroxide mixture is drenched into the plant, seeping deep into the soil and killing the eggs and larvae. When the hydrogen peroxide makes contact with the organic gnat larvae and eggs, it disintegrates into oxygen and water, and the reaction immediately kills the larvae and eggs while they are still at their first stage of development. This disrupts the gnat's life cycle, effectively reducing its population when the adult gnats die. Therefore, hydrogen peroxide is a better option since it tackles the gnat infestation at its primary stage. The table shows that hydrogen peroxide is more effective against fungus gnats since it eliminates their larvae and eggs, disrupting the life cycle. On the other hand, the neem oil is primarily effective against adult fungus gnats, leaving room for the larvae and eggs to develop. Hydrogen peroxide is also less time-consuming since you only apply it once weekly, while neem oil is sprayed 4 times on the infested plants. Similarities. Neem oil and hydrogen peroxide are similar in that both compounds are safe for your plants and the helpful microorganisms in the soil. Verdict. So which one is better? Though hydrogen peroxide mainly targets gnat infestation at the primary stage, it is better than neem oil because it is easier to use due to its straightforward preparation process. So if you want to easily eliminate fungus gnats, consider hydrogen peroxide. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.